that visit. It was also extremely useful that the two leaders, Prime Minister Imran Khan and President Ashraf Ghani, had a good interaction on the sidelines of the OIC summit meeting in Saudi Arabia. We are also happy to share that the APAP's mechanism that had been put in place was reviewed for the first time, and we agree that it is a useful mechanism and we should make more use of it. I'd like to take advantage of your presence here, sir, to extend or reiterate our invitation to President Ashraf Ghani for joint inauguration of the round-the-clock services at Torkham. We'd be, Prime Minister is looking forward to an early date which is mutually convenient so that we could inaugurate that collectively. We also feel that China is not just a close friend, but a good neighbor and a trusted partner. And with growing Chinese interest in regional connectivity, we feel not just Afghanistan, Pakistan, the entire region will benefit from it. We are also excited about the peace process moving forward. I wish you success, and hopefully from this US Taliban framework agreement, we would move to the next stage, that is intra-Afghan dialogue, negotiations for a sustainable, durable peace in Afghanistan and the entire region. So, gentlemen, I am delighted to have you here. Of course, you know, the cricketing tournament and the exchange of diplomats is a welcome development. Under 19 teams will be playing in Beijing in October, and we would love to have your young diplomats in Islamabad, and that will further build a relationship of future diplomats. So thank you for being here.
The Honorable Foreign Minister Farukh. Yeah,
okay. Okay. 很高兴来到巴基斯坦出席第3次的中阿巴三方外长会议。我们首先感谢巴基斯坦作为东道主为筹办会议所做的大量的有效的努力。
It is my great pleasure to come here to Pakistan for the 3rd Trilateral Foreign Ministers meeting. Let me start off by thanking our host, Pakistan, for all the efforts it has put in to make this meeting possible.
当前阿富汗的和解进程迎来了重大机遇，但是恐怖主义和安全形势依然严峻，一些历史遗留的争议再度升温，地区稳定面临新的挑战。国际社会当中单边主义和保护主义抬头，损害了包括中阿巴3国在内的发展中国家的正当权益。在这样一个重要的时间节点，我们三方外长举行对话十分及时，也非常的必要。刚才我同2位外长进行了深入的讨论，达成了广泛的共识。我把它归纳起来有以下5点。
At present, Afghan's peace process is presented with a major opportunity. However, terrorism and security situation remain grave. Some disputes left from history have escalated, and regional stability face new challenges. Internationally, unilateralism and protectionism are on the rise, which undermine the legitimate rights and interests of developing countries, including China, Afghanistan, and Pakistan. So at such a critical time, it is highly relevant and necessary for the three ministers of the three countries to hold this dialogue. Just now, the two foreign ministers and I conducted in-depth communication, and we reached broad consensus. I would like to summarize our consensus into 5 points.
一致认为，三方的合作虽然起步时间不长，但是在增进三方团结合作、推进阿富汗国内政治和解、加强区域互联互通以及促进地区共同发展等方面都取得了积极的成果。作为新型的次区域合作实践，中阿巴三方合作顺应了地区人民求和平、谋发展的迫切的愿望，也形成了平等、开放、务实、高效的鲜明特点，正在展现出蓬勃的生命力。
First, we share the view that although it hasn't been long since the trilateral cooperation started, it has resulted in positive outcomes in promoting solidarity and cooperation among the three parties, in advancing the political reconciliation in Afghanistan, in enhancing regional connectivity, and in promoting common development of the region. As a new type of practice for sub-regional cooperation, this trilateral cooperation responds to the keen interest of the people in this region for peace and development. It is equal, open, practical, and effective, and it is showing strong vitality.
第二，我们一致认为，阿富汗的局势进入关键节点，外国的驻军应当有序、负责任地撤出，以保障阿富汗局势能够平稳过渡。中国同巴基斯坦，我们期待阿富汗政府与塔利班通过和平谈判达成和解。阿富汗各派应当按照阿人主导、阿人所有的原则，尽快搭建对话框架，启动内部谈判，探讨为各方所接受的未来的政治安排，早日实现阿富汗的和平与重建。
Second, we share the view that the situation in Afghanistan is now at a critical stage. The withdrawal of foreign troops need to be conducted in an orderly and responsible manner in order to ensure the smooth transition of the situation in Afghanistan. China and Pakistan look forward to reconciliation between the Afghan government and the Taliban through peaceful negotiation, and various parties in Afghanistan need to act in line with the principle of Afghan-led and Afghan-owned, build a framework for dialogue at an early date, start intra-Afghan dialogue, and explore the future political arrangement that is acceptable to all the parties, with a view to achieving peace and rebuilding in Afghanistan.
第三，我们一致认为，阿巴关系的改善对于两国乃至地区的和平稳定与发展具有重要意义。我们三方对话启动以来，阿巴双方制定了团结行动计划，明确了改善关系的框架和方向。中方赞赏阿巴两国领导人展现的政治担当和勇气，我们也愿意为两国开展对话、改善关系、加强合作来继续提供支持和协助。
Third, we share the view that the improvement of relations between Afghanistan and Pakistan is of great significance for peace, stability, and development in both countries and the wider region. Since the inception of the trilateral dialogue, Afghanistan and Pakistan have formulated this action plan for solidarity, which identifies the framework and direction for the improvement of bilateral relations. China appreciates the sense of political responsibility and courage displayed by the leaders of both countries and stands ready to continue to support and help the two countries in pursuing dialogue, improving relations, and strengthening cooperation.
第四，我们一致认为，应当在共建“一带一路”的框架下来探索推进我们的三方合作。我们三方愿意加强彼此的互联互通，包括推动中巴经济走廊的项目向阿富汗来延伸。我们愿意与国际伙伴一道，共同建设喀布尔至白沙瓦的高速公路。三方还将开展社会民生的合作。我们已经商定，在阿巴的边境口岸建设饮水、冷库、医疗站、出入境接待中心的具体的项目，即将着手加以实施。我们三方还同意深化人文的交流，开展外交官、文物考古、红会、媒体、智库等领域的交流和培训。
Fourth, we are of the view that we need to advance trilateral cooperation under the Belt and Road Initiative. The three parties stand ready to strengthen connectivity cooperation among the three parties, including to extend CPEC projects to Afghanistan. We also stand ready to work with international partners to build the Kabul-Peshawar motorway. The three parties will also carry out livelihood cooperation. We have agreed on a number of specific projects, including the drinking water, refrigeration storage, medical station, and entry and exit reception facilities at the border ports between Afghanistan and Pakistan, and we will soon start implementation. All three parties have also agreed to deepen people-to-people and cultural exchanges, and we will carry out exchanges and training between our diplomats and in the fields of cultural relics, Red Cross Society, media, and think tank.
第五，我们一致认为应当深化反恐和安全的合作。上一年的对话，我们达成了合作打击恐怖主义的谅解备忘录。那么这次对话呢，我们三方就落实这个谅解备忘录的项目清单达成了一致。我们决定加强反恐能力的建设、禁毒等领域的合作。我们三方还同意要加强情报共享与执法的合作，继续坚定地打击一切形式的恐怖主义，包括东伊运这股被安理会所认定的恐怖组织的。
Fifth, we share the view that we need to further deepen counterterrorism and security cooperation. During the last dialogue, we reached the MOU on counterterrorism cooperation, and during this dialogue, we have further agreed on the list of initial projects under that MOU, and we have decided to step up cooperation on counterterrorism capacity building and narcotics, among other areas. The three parties have also agreed to step up intelligence sharing and law enforcement cooperation, and we will continue to firmly combat all forms of terrorism and to combat the ETIM, which is an international terrorist organization identified by the UN Security Council.
我们三方同意今天要发表一个联合的声明，来全面的反映本次会议的共识和成果。我们还同意明年将在中国召开第4次的中阿巴三方外长的会议，启动我们第2轮的对话与合作。我在这里要提前欢迎两位外长届时到中国去出席会议。我们希望三方携手努力，在新的历史条件下推进三方合作不断向前发展，为充满不确定性的世界注入更多的正能量，为饱受战火与冲突之苦的地区带来和平与发展的新希望。谢谢大家。
All three parties have agreed to release a joint statement today that will fully reflect the consensus and outcomes reached during this dialogue. We also agreed to hold the 4th Trilateral Foreign Ministers Dialogue in China in 2020 for the second cycle of trilateral cooperation and dialogue. Here in
पाकिस्तान, चीन और अफगानिस्तान के वज़राए ख़ारजा के सह-फ़रीक़ी मुज़ाकरात के बाद प्रेस ब्रीफिंग जारी थी। चीनी वज़ीर ख़ारजा का कहना था कि चीन के दोस्त ममालिक के सह-फ़रीक़ी मुज़ाकरात पर उनके मशकूर हैं।